to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a holiday, cute holiday, sexy holiday, whatever you want to call this holiday look. It's, you know, just a good old simple Liz Glam beat with a poppin' highlight, you guys, and everything from Drugstore, from CVS. I know you guys, if you've been following me, I'm blessed to be able to be working with CVS. For the past months, I've been bringing you guys looks, skincare, and all that stuff from CVS, because CVS isn't just like prescriptions. They're literally a beauty destination. When you do have a CVS card, you can go ahead and link it to your beauty rewards card and start earning those CVS bucks. For every $30 you spend, you get $3, you get 10% off your first enrollment. It's literally like, here, please take this makeup, please take this beauty products from me because they're so amazing. Yeah, also make sure you guys go and follow me on the gram. I know I ask that every time, but we're kind of 100K over here, 10K over there. Yeah, so you see what the issue is. I just really want you guys to join the fam. I want you guys to subscribe, do whatever you want to do, comment. I love talking to you guys. And okay guys, I will see you guys in the video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a cozy get ready with me for like the holiday seasons. And yeah, it's not really a need for a long chit chat talking part because you guys already know what's up. I got this cute robe on the Black Friday sale at Old Navy, so I'm really happy about that. And these are clip-ins, by the way. I will be doing a video on all of this soon. Fix my nails, as always. That's literally always my complaint in this video. And as you can tell, we've got the Christmas decorations up and everything, so we are set and ready to go. So we are about to put on these brows. We're gonna put on these brows and then we'll be right back. So today I'm going to be using my Milani Prime and Correct Face Primer. Okay, and what I received in my beauty box this month is from a brand called JOAH. I've never even seen or heard of them in CVS, but now I know they are. And it's the Glow Activator Radiance Primer. So it is inspired by K-Beauty. It has really beautiful specks of gold mixed within it. So let's see how it radiates the skin. Oh wow, this might be my new whole favorite product, you guys. This has no scent whatsoever. It's gliding so smoothly over my skin and it's leaving me with the most beautiful natural dew. I'm going to be dipping into this Milani Gilded Desires palette. This beautiful palette is by Milani and it can be found at CVS. So the first shade I'm going to be going into is going to be this shade right here. And I'm going in with a Sigma Tapered E40 brush. You guys, that one shadow just gave me so much to work with. Like, I thought that shadow wasn't even going to show up on my lid, and here it is looking like a whole snack on my lid. Now I'm going to be dipping into this darker burgundy shade right here just to deepen everything up a little bit more, and I'm really excited because these shadows are blending so pigmented and I just really wasn't expecting that. So I'm going to put that in the outer corner and then blend that into the brown. So I'm really concentrating this darker burgundy on the outer corners. Okay, next I'm going in with this cream shade right here on a flat shader brush. Okay, so I only wanted a slight wash of color on the lid. I just kind of wanted it, I kind of want this look to just blend all into one another, and I kind of want it to be a smoky eye with like a little bit of brightness on the lid. So that's what we have going on right now. So I'm going to pop on some Covergirl eyeliner, and this one is in the shade Just Give Me Noir. Now with this black shade, I'm going to be smudging that all out on this BH Cosmetics number 11 brush. CVS was super kind and they sent over 4 different pair of lashes, you guys. So I'm going to be putting on these Ardell's, and these are actually the magnetic ones. I am going to be putting on these double demi wispies, and it says that there's no applicator adhesive needed. It's a pre-curved band and they're easy to apply. So we're gonna see how actually easy. So now we're just gonna go ahead and move on to foundation and everything. So I'm, of course, just gonna be using my Milani and my Maybelline foundations. You guys already know. So today I'm gonna be using my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. I'm gonna get me a quick contour in with my Wet n Wild Mega Glow Stick. Then we're just going to blend all of that out. Okay, for powder I'm going to be using my Maybelline Shine Free Powder. Alright, now I'm going to be using my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. And I'm going to be using my Morphe M530 and bronzing up the face. This is my all-time favorite bronzing brush. For blush, I want to use my Physicians Formula in the shade Vintage Rouge. And I'm really going to be blending that all in the bronzer and up where we didn't put anything, because I feel like blending your blush and your bronzer together just gives you a more nice look. It helps to avoid you putting on too much bronzer, because too much blush is better than too much bronzer. So I'm going to be taking some of this burgundy that we put on top, and I'm just going to be smudging that on the lower waterline. I don't want to put any black in the lower waterline just because. Okay, so I want to top off my eyelid color with a little bit of this white right here. So I want to see what it looks like. I'm going to just pack it on. Alright, for a little combination of, you know, curiosity, that's what I'm going to call it, I'm going to be mixing these two shades together. Maybelline Holographic highlighter, and this is a purple one, and then the Physicians Formula highlighter as well. I want to see how those two look together. You guys, are you seeing what I'm seeing? This is the most beautiful highlight combination of life. It's the most reflective, non-chalky combination of life. Like, wow. I think this actually might be my new combo. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad I tried this. So I swirled a lot into the Physicians Formula. Okay, you guys, I'm in love with this highlighter. I know it's very, very blinding. It's awesome to me. Like, this is what Christmas and going out is about, for blinding and glowing and all of the above. Okay, now for the lips, I'm going to be mixing these two L'Oreal lipsticks together. I'm going to be using the shade 989 Very Extreme and 974 Fully Blown Fawn. Okay guys, this is the complete look. I hope you guys enjoy. If you would like to check out any of the products, I will have them all listed down below. Also, I invite you guys to sign up and link your CVS card to get extra reward bucks in beauty. If you guys enjoy, make sure you go follow me over on Instagram. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video with hopefully better nails than this. I love you guys. Mwah.